ഈ വരുന്ന ശനിയാഴ്ച നടക്കുന്ന സെക്രട്ടേറിയറ്റ് അസിസ്റ്റൻ്റ് പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് തയ്യാറെടുക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്കും ഇ-ലേൺ വിത്ത് വിജയഗിരിയുടെ വിജയാശംസകൾ. ഇ-ലേൺ വിത്ത് വിജയഗിരി ഒരുക്കുന്ന ഫൈനൽ ലാബ് എന്ന ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിൽ പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് വരാവുന്ന ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ചില ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഐ.ടിയിൽ നിന്നും വരാവുന്ന പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ഒന്ന് നോക്കാം. The Internet was originally a project of which agency? ARPA. HTML is used to create web pages. The computer jargon WWW stands for World Wide Web Worm. Verification of a login name and password is known as authentication. A computer on internet are identified by IP address. When IT Act 2000 came into effect, 17th October 2000. How many schedules are there in IT Act 2000? 4. Which is the act which provides legal framework for e-governance in India? IT Act 2000. Which section of IT Act deals with the legal recognition of electronic records? Section 4. Which section of IT Act deals with the appointment of controller of certifying authorities? Section 17. Which section of IT Act deals with hacking of computer systems and its penalties? Section 66. Which section of IT Act deals with cyber terrorism? Section 66F. Which section of IT Act was invalidated by Supreme Court of India? Section 66A. The date on which Supreme Court of India invalidated Section 66A of IT Act 2000. 24/3/2015. What is the maximum penalty for damage to computer systems, unauthorized access, download of data, infecting with virus, denial of access, etc. as per Section 43? 1 crore. What is the penalty for publishing images of a person's private parts without consent as per IT Act 2000? 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both? Which section of IT Act deals with child pornography? Section 67B. Which are the section of the IT Act deals with credit card fraud? 43, 66, 66C and 66D. Which is the appeal court on the orders issued by Cyber Appellate Tribunal? High Court. The section deals with legal recognition of digital signature. Section 5. Controller of Certifying Authorities CCA work under Ministry of Communication and IT. Who founded the WWW Consortium? W3C. Tim Berners-Lee. Who created the Mosaic browser and was co-founder of Netscape Communications? Mark Anderson. Who developed PHP? Rasmus Lerdof. Who is founder and CEO of Amazon.com? Jeff Bezos. Who co-invented the TCP/IP Internet Protocol with Robert Kahn in 1973? Vint Cerf. Who created Napster? Sean Fanning. Who created the Perl programming language? Larry Wall. Year 2000 is abbreviated as Y2K. What is the full form of PDA? Personal Digital Assistant. What is the full form of FLOPS? Floating operations per second. What is the full form of FORTRAN? Formula translation. What is the full form of COBOL? Common Business Oriented Language. What is the full form of WAN? Wide Area Network. What is the full form of MAN? Metropolitan Area Network. What is the full form of LDU? Liquid Display Unit. What is the full form of GAIS? Gateway Internet Access Service. What is the full form of DTP? Desktop Publishing. What is the full form of FAT? FAT. File Allocation Table. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wireless Fidelity. What is the full form of CUI? Command User Interface. What is the full form of VLSI? Very Large Scale Integrated. What is the full form of OMR? Optical Mark Reader. Graphic Interchange Format is abbreviated as GIF. Joint Photographic Experts Group, JPEG. Moving Picture Experts Group, MPEG. Portable Network Graphics, PNG. Uniform Resource Locator, URL. Google is developed by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Google, Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Microsoft, Bill Gates and Paul Allen. IBM, Thomas J. Watson, Charles Ralnett Flint. Yahoo, Jerry Yang and David Filo. Infosys, N.R. Narayanam Murthy, Nandan Nilekani, N.S. Raghavan, S. Gopalakrishnan, S.D. Shibulal, K. Dinesh and Ashok Arora. Wipro, M.H. Premji. Apple. Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. Hewlett Packard, HP. Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard. Intel. Gordon Moore and Robert Noyce. Twitter. Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Evan Williams, and Biz Stone. Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg, Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCollum, Dustin Moskovitz, and Chris Hughes. Flipkart. Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. Who invented mechanical calculator called Pascaline? Blaise Pascal. Which was the world's first successful electronic computer? ENIAC. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Which was first virus detected on ARPANET? The forerunner of the Internet in the early 1970s. Creeper virus. How the quality of printer is measured? Dots per inch. Where was the World Wide Web created and in which year? CERN in 1990. Name the person who invented the QWERTY keyboard layout design. Christopher Lethan Scholz. Charles Babbage is usually referred to as the father of computers. What was first machine he invented called? Difference engine. Name the service that allows you to receive emails. POP3. What kind of hackers are considered as good hackers? White hat hackers. IC chips used in computers are usually made of silicon. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. B2B stands for business to business. Which is the brains of computer? CPU. UNIVAC is Universal Automatic Computer. Firefox uses dash rendering engine. Gecko. The father of the internet is Windsurf. Which is the news search engine introduced by Rediff.com in 2012? Real-time news search. The founder of Netscape Communications? Mark Anderson. Where was the first computer installed in India? Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. A dash is a computer attached to the internet that runs a special web server software and can send web pages out to the other computer over the internet. Web server. Which software application is used for accessing sites or information on a network as the World Wide Web? Web browser. It is a small piece of text stored on a user's computer by a web browser for maintaining the state. What we are talking about? Cookies. Which company is nicknamed Big Blue? IBM. Dennis Ritchie is associated with. He created the C programming language. Brian Kernighan contributed to the development of Unix. He is also co-author of the AWK and AMPL programming languages. James Gosling, father of the Java programming language. Keyboard, Herman Hollerith, first key pouch device in 1930s. Transistor, John Bardeen, Walter Brattain and William Shockley. RAM, Anne Wang and J. Forrester. Integrated circuit, Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce. Computer mouse, Douglas Engelbart. Microprocessor, Fagin, Hoff and Mazur. iPad is manufactured by Apple. Which Indian state implemented Cyber Grameen? Andhra Pradesh. Tic-tac-toe is first graphical game. Oruma is Linux-based software developed by Kerala State Electricity Board. Being Digital is a famous book written by Nicholas Negroponte. What is Blue Brain Project? Cloning of human brain. What is cyberbullying? Threatening through internet. CyberCheck is a software developed by CDAC. What is pod slumping? Information theft by portable devices. What is meant by mouse potato? It means a person who spends too much time in front of a computer. Who wrote Just for Fun? Linus Torvalds, the creator of the Linux kernel. Which day is celebrated as World Computer Literacy Day? December 2. Longhorn was the code name of Windows Vista. Who is known as the human computer of India? Shakuntala Devi. What is meant by liveware? People who work with the computer. Do no evil is tagline of Google. First Indian cinema released through internet is Vivah.